Yeah, come on. Yeah. Woo. It's alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We're back at the airport, flying to Dubrovnik from Athens, and then straight to Montenegro. Oh my god, I'm so tired, guys. It's actually super early too. I guess we'll see you in Montenegro.
Politicking like it's pagan Roma. I got to feel every pleasure till the flavor's gone. You see the girls like it smooth, not so much macho. Someone who ain't afraid to go down on a taco. I'm Slim Flacco, Mr. Enchilada. Lot of patience and persistence when I'm knocking out the bottom.
We are at... Where are we?
Kotor?
No, we're not there yet.
Vroom.
We're not there yet. But we're in Montenegro. We just crossed the border from Dubrovnik, and now we're in a ferry from Perast to Kotor, which our driver said will only take about 5 minutes. But it's so pretty here.
Mirror on the wall. Well, who is the freshest of them all? I'm on some Westchester High shit, class of 95 shit. James Bond watch with the coolie high guy kit. Hat laying over the eyes, you can't see them. I'm tearing down the mall and blowing this whole per diem. It's 1:00 p.m. I should do brunch. Grey Poupon on the line of my 5-acre front. If the ladies all pause when I walk up in the door, just imagine how many of them fainted on the floor. Yeah. So conceited and confident as such. The lames are automatic. I'm riding.
Here in Montenegro, we're staying at the Hyatt Kotor Regency, and this is like a quick room tour for you. Once you enter, there's a washroom, and then there's like a small walk-in. So nice. There's a living room as well, and they got a welcome. Oh, that's so nice. A welcome dessert and wine for us. That's perfect, because I'm craving for sweets. Thank you. It's a vlogging. And that's the bed. It's very spacious. We've got 2 TVs, one in the bedroom and then one in the living room. And then we have a little balcony as well. Oh. That's our view outside. I'm excited. I'm excited to rest. I'm so tired. What can you say?
We live in it.
We also have our own balcony.
What's the matter, boy? Don't you know that you a slave? Nah, this Django with the cash like Tango. Used to dream about rolling around in a Range Rover. Till I heard the devil call a fade with an angel. Till I heard these niggas really sweet like a mango. G5 got lost.
Also have our own balcony
Yeah, you know how the game goes.
with this view.
That old star spangle. I'm just feeling myself. Balls to the wall without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. I'm tuned for the crew and now I'm chilling myself. I'm just feeling myself without killing myself. Thrilling myself. Now I'm chilling myself.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. Did it all while leaving me in the dark.
About to explore the hotel. See what we can do here.
We don't.
Okay, go. Oh, this is the where we're gonna have breakfast tomorrow. Concierge is there. It's the main lobby. And then this is bar and terrace. Oh, it's like more rooms. What else is here? The pool is somewhere here. Oh, Arvin is ready to swim. He wants to swim already.
Where's the swimming pool?
Trying to find the swimming pool.
Where's the swimming pool?
I hear water. Ah, nice. Nice. He's happy. It's cold. Kind of cold though. Swim. That's so pretty.
What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right?
We just woke up and we're about to catch the morning buffet because we have breakfast included in our stay. But it's so nice. Like the views are so nice. Look. So pretty.
For falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you never want one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get so close, then you might understand. But our hearts on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me.
The old town square in Kotor.
I've learned that there's an art to changing.
It does remind me of
The clay
Dubrovnik. For sure.
on the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburnt wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting free to color. Lead the muses like a cup.
Oh, it's nice. What is it? Oh, it's a church.
Masterpieces take a lifetime. And patience is a peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow.
Where are we?
In Kotor, the old town square. Kotor.
Where are we right now in the tour?
I'm not sure, but that's the Kotor fortress. Things you go up there. I think this is their city wall.
I think so.
It's kind of reminds me of the city mall in Dubrovnik.
Or in Manila Bay?
In Intramuros.
In Intramuros?
It's our, what day is it in Montenegro? It's our third day. It's our third day in Montenegro, and we're about to take a boat tour to the Blue Cave, Our Lady of the Rocks, and something else I forgot. But we're just waiting for our boat, but I think it's coming. I think it's that one there.
Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Stomp your feet, everybody clap your hands. So sunny, I'm with you. Whoa, so sunny, I'm with you. Whoa. Everyone makes mistakes in life. I felt what it
And everyone seems to be here. But this is pretty much the main attraction, one of the main attractions here in Montenegro.
Everlasting energy is only the sun. Everything now will someday be learned. So live in the now before it is done. Open up your heart and life becomes fun. Everyone needs friends, not foes. Everyone has a head, fingers, and toes. Everyone has arms, legs, and a nose. We all need each other. That's how it goes. Clap your hands, everybody. Stomp your feet, everybody. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Stomp your feet, everybody. Clap your hands. So sunny.
We are back in Old Town Kotor. Vroom vroom. That's motor.
We did a boat tour today. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, there's just, I guess, very limited stops or spots
There's not
in the
much.
tour.
Yeah.
The Blue Cave is really cool.
Yeah.
But like, you just look at
pretty
it.
small, yeah.
It's pretty small. It was just nice to be a bit on the boat though.
Clap your hands, everybody. Stomp your feet, everybody. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Stomp your feet, everybody. Clap your hands. So sunny, I'm with you. Whoa, so sunny, I'm with you. Whoa.
Where are we?
We are in the cable car.
Of
Kotor. Vroom vroom.
But I found a gelato place. And I'm craving for gelato. Okay, where do we go? Here. We have to buy the ticket. So, to go up, I think it's 15 euros each. Lining up to get ticket because this is a very last minute flight. We just thought of it today.
Everybody wanna be famous. There's so much life through these walls. My mind has been through it all. I don't wanna care no more. I don't wanna care no more.
It's just the two of us. But one cable car is 8. But there's Arvin.
Oh, nakakatawa. Bro, nakakatawa. Ay, papi.
Yo, wants to be balanced, bro.
Hindi, okay lang yun.
Okay. We're going up, and someone's really scared.
Oh my God, ang bilis. Ako yung sabat. Yung sabat. Fun! Fun!
I'm so happy we did this.
Oh. Hey. That is high. Fun!
This is so fun. I love it. To the top. You okay? My sweater is cold now. This is where we are. So some restaurants in here, I think. And the viewpoint. You can take photos and enjoy the views. Cheers! Gotta get some gelato.
Again, get
You know
some
the place.
gelato.